In this video, we are going to make an object that our player can collect it. So for doing that, we need to go to our asset. Let's go to items, then fruits. Here we have different fruits. I picked the strawberry fruits. Make it at 16. Then I click the first one, then click the last one, and drag it to the center. It want to make an animation for that. Let's go to our asset, animation, and I will call it strawberry. And save it. So now our strawberry, we have the strawberry, so I need to add component, circle collider. It's a little bit big. I will make it smaller as the size of our collider, so our strawberry. So now I will going to make a script for that. So let's go to our script, create a new script, and I will call this script fruits. Then I will click on our strawberry, add the fruit script to it. But before that, I want to rename it. So now let's go to our script. We can click here, double click on here. We will open our script. But before writing in the script here, we are going to our player to give the score. So here we will make a new variable, public int, and a score. So now let's make a function for that. We are coming down. Here we write public void add score. And inside of that, we will going to use parameter. The parameter are values we can give to a function to use them. And int and amount. Then here in the parentheses, I will write score plus equal amount. And this is going to add amount to our current score. So now that we make this function, we can go to our fruit script. Just let's save it. Going to our fruit script. Then I will delete the start and update function. Then here I will write public int value, but I will make it default to 1. Okay, and then the next thing we need to make on collision into 2D. So collision into 2D, And inside of that, if instead of collision, I will make it other. So if other.gameObject dot compare tag, and the tag should be our player with the big P. Then collision dot so other dot game object dot get component. We want to get access to add a score from our script, so we need to bring our player script here. It's going to our player script, and after that get the function add a score and add the value to it. And now after we get the gem, we want to destroy it, because if we don't destroy it, we can get it again and again, and we don't want that. So here we will write destroy game object and semicolon. So now let's save all the script. Going to the game. After it compiled, I will choose our player. We have a score here. When we get this survey, we will get one score here. So let's see. As you see, I got one score. And when we die, we have to skip again. So second trial, our score is at 0 again. Now we have the score again at 1. So now let's make it the prefab. Going to the asset. We create a new folder, make it prefab. We call it prefab. And then open it. I will put the strawberry on it, chain on it, the saw, so enemy fire, so the next thing is spike head, rock head, spike enemy, we can do the player later. So now we click on our strawberry and we put it in our center. Then here we can just drag it we don't need to now duplicate it. You can just find our prefabs, put it there. Make it one here. Then we put one here, 2, 3. Now I will put one here, so if that make deceive the player, here 1, 2, So now I will put our strawberry. So now here we have a little bit messy. So we create a new object and I will reset it. Now I will put all the strawberry in it. So now we can close it. We call this one SP, strawberry. So in the next video, we are going to make a flag that when our player reach there, so we are going to the next level and finish that level.